Hi viewers, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone. Today, in this video we'll be discussing about how to get a job in cloud computing. Before going to video, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. First we should know about cloud computing. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the Internet, the cloud. Cloud computing allows individuals and organizations to access and use these services without the need for investing in and maintaining their own computing infrastructure. Cloud computing services are typically provided by third-party providers, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and others. These providers offer a range of services, including Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking, while PaaS provides a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications, and SaaS delivers software applications over the Internet. Cloud computing provides a number of benefits, including flexibility, scalability, cost savings, and increased efficiency. Because cloud services are delivered over the Internet, users can access them from anywhere with an Internet connection, making it easier to work remotely or collaborate with others. Additionally, cloud services can be easily scaled up or down to meet changing demands, and users only pay for the resources they use, which can help reduce costs. For example, suppose you run a small e-commerce business that sells clothing online. To process orders, you need a web application that can handle user traffic and securely store customer data. Instead of building and maintaining your own infrastructure, you decide to use cloud computing services. First, you use a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, AWS, to host your web application in the cloud. AWS provides Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, which means you can rent virtualized computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking, on a pay-as-you-go basis. This allows you to quickly deploy your web application without having to buy and maintain your own hardware. Next, you use a cloud-based database service, like Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, to store customer data securely. RDS provides a managed database service, which means AWS handles the setup, operation, and maintenance of the database, while you simply use it to store and retrieve data. This eliminates the need for you to hire a database administrator or maintain your own database infrastructure. Finally, you use a cloud-based analytics service, like Google Analytics, to track customer behavior and gather insights about your business. Google Analytics provides software as a service, SaaS, which means you can simply access the service over the Internet without having to install or manage any software on your own servers. By using cloud computing services, you're able to quickly and easily deploy your web application, securely store customer data, and gather insights about your business without having to invest in and maintain your own infrastructure. Additionally, you only pay for the computing resources and services you use, which can help you save costs and scale your business as needed. How to get a job in cloud computing? If you're interested in getting a job in cloud computing, here are some steps you can take. First, develop relevant skills. Cloud computing is a technical field that requires knowledge of cloud platforms, networking, virtualization, and automation. You can develop these skills by taking online courses, pursuing certifications, or working on personal projects. Second, gain practical experience. Many companies look for candidates who have hands-on experience with cloud platforms and tools. You can gain this experience by working on projects, building prototypes, or participating in hackathons. Third, Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and experience to potential employers. This can include code samples, project descriptions, and case studies. Fourth, network with professionals, attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with professionals in the field. This can help you learn about job opportunities, build relationships, and gain insights into the industry. Fifth, apply for jobs. Look for job postings on job boards, company websites, and social media platforms. Customize your resume and cover letter to highlight your skills and experience in cloud computing, and follow up with potential employers after submitting your application. Sixth, prepare for interviews. If you're invited for an interview, research the company and practice answering technical questions related to cloud computing. Be ready to talk about your skills, experience, and how you can contribute to the company's goals. Overall, getting a job in cloud computing requires a combination of technical skills, practical experience, networking, and a strong job search strategy. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of landing a job in this exciting and growing field. Like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.